Hey, super excited to be here today to tell you a little bit more about physical therapy, the types of medical care that we provide, and more on my business, Victory Fitness and Physical Therapy. So first and foremost, physical therapists are medical providers, and so I don't provide any specific medical diagnosis or information over Instagram. I'm super happy to meet with anyone who has questions about a current condition. Maybe they're currently going to physical therapy or seeing a doctor or were recommended to see a physical therapist. You are the perfect person for me to talk to. We'll talk and see if physical therapy is right for you. And then after that, what we would do is we'd go through an initial evaluation. And whether that's through a telehealth visit or in person, that allows me to get the right information to make sure that the different physical therapy interventions that I'm prescribing for you fit your conditions. I take the profession of physical therapy very seriously and want to make sure that we provide the best care, and understanding that physical therapists are healthcare professionals and we look at the patient holistically. So let's take a look at, what a physical therapist provides and what we prescribe as our medical prescription. And let's compare this to some other professionals. So thinking about a doctor, you may go to the doctor and the doctor is going to prescribe you a medication. So that's their medical care. A doctor would never just prescribe you a medication without hearing your symptoms or taking a look at you. An eye doctor, an optometrist. You would go see the eye doctor, they would perform an exam on you, and then they'd give you a prescription for the contacts or the glasses that you need. Physical therapy is exactly the same, except our prescription, instead of it being medication or a certain lens for your glasses, our prescription is exercise. So you come in, you see us, and what we do is we diagnose your condition with a physical therapy diagnosis. We take into account other factors. If it's post-surgical, then we'll take into factors and comments from your surgeon based on the type of surgery you have and how far out of surgery you are. And we'll give you our prescription medical information for the type of exercises that are best appropriate for you to perform safely at your stage of the process. So with that being said, without seeing a patient first, there's no way that I will give medical advice on specific conditions. I'm super open and excited to hear about what you have going on. Make sure that you have exercises that are fit exactly to you. However, that is something that needs to occur outside of just some comments on Instagram, because I want to make sure that we have all the pieces of your puzzle to make sure that what I'm prescribing you is appropriate and within our professional realm as physical therapists. The second thing is, as a healthcare professional and a well-respected physical therapist, I like to give that same respect back to other therapists in the community. So if you're currently seeing a physical therapist for a condition, I'm happy to perform an evaluation or assessment and review a plan that you're going over with a physical therapist to see if there needs to be changes or things that can be added in to best suit your goals. However, if you're currently under the care of another therapist, I would never just jump in and change that plan without a full assessment. Exercises are the prescription for a physical therapist. That is what we provide and we give. We are the experts in musculoskeletal care, and we are the best professionals for post-surgical rehab. So if you have questions about a plan of care that you have and want more information about it, I'm happy to steer you in the right direction, happy to find a provider in your area for you or perform an evaluation for you, whether in person or over a telehealth visit, to make sure that you get the right information to get you back into the game, to work, to sport, whatever it may be that is limiting you. I definitely want to be here and help you do that. But I want to make it very clear that all of my videos and information that I provide right now on my Instagram is all suggestions and advice for people to take at their own leisure. Great suggestions, especially for individuals that are looking to get back into fitness or add certain aspects to their training programs.